Class 10th Geography, Chapter Soil Resources in India. This is the first part of this chapter. Let's begin with the chapter. Soil supports plants, animals, as well as human life. Life depends on the food we eat, and soil is the source of that food for man and animals. Agricultural production depends on the fertility of soil. Soil essentially is the loose material which forms the thin surface layer of the earth. Its formation is related to the parent rock material, relief, climate and vegetation. Animals, insects and man also play an important role in the formation of soil. Soil is a mixture of inorganic material, minerals and organic materials like humus. Humus is the dark organic material in soils produced by the decomposition of vegetables or animal matter and is essential to the fertility of the soil. Soil erosion is the removal of the topsoil by different agents of weathering, such as running water, wind, overgrazing, men, plants and animals, faulty methods of agriculture. There are several ways in which soil erosion takes place due to running water. Splash erosion, where the soil is pulverized by the impact of heavy drops and hailstones, as in case of convectional rainfall. Sheet erosion. Due to heavy rains, a surface film of water carries away the even surface layer of the topsoil as it moves. Gully erosion or rill erosion, whereby on steep slopes, in absence of any vegetation, water flows with force downhill, developing into channel flow, cutting steep-sided valley as it runs off. Gullies cut up the agricultural land into bad land, where no cultivation is possible. Example, Chambal ravines. The soil is composed of three main substances: silica, clay, and chalk or calcium carbonate. Soil conservation. Soil conservation is an effort made by man to prevent soil erosion, to retain the fertility of the soil. Soil is our most precious resource. It is important to our national economy, as productive soil ensures prosperity in agriculture, industrial development and general economic development. Several measures have been adopted by the government to prevent soil erosion, like afforestation, to check overgrazing, constructing dams and barrages, improve techniques of agriculture like contour method of ploughing, check soil erosion, terraced farming also checks soil erosion, crop rotation improves fertility of the soil, planting of cover crops would check soil erosion as plant roots hold the soil together. Shifting or jhuming or slash and burn type of agriculture should be banned. Bells of trees and shrubs should be planted to check the velocity of wind and thus prevent wind erosion. Here ends the first part of this chapter. We will continue this chapter in the next video.